Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Russell again, RJ for short, and you're watching RJ's Vlogs. If bago ka pa lang dito sa aking channel, we are covering videos about earn from home and work from home opportunities. Kaya naman kung interested ka sa mga ganitong type of videos, consider subscribing, hit mo na yung subscribe button below, click mo na rin yung notification bell para naman updated ka every time we upload new videos. So guys, gusto ko muna mag-special shoutout sa ating mga viewers. So every video, magkakaroon na tayo ng special shoutout. All you need to do is to comment down below at pipili ako ng mga i-feature na comment sa ating videos. Gusto ko lang shoutout for today si Guada Pantejo. She commented sa ating home-based chat support video. Hi Russell, this is Guada and your videos are very helpful. Could you suggest a specific website platform that accepts chat support applicants that don't have a degree, etc.? I have a friend who was homeschooled and is trying to apply. Hope to hear from you soon. Ayan, first of all, I'm glad na nakatulong yung videos ko and I'm very sorry kung hindi ko na-replyan yung mga comments like this. Alam niyo naman kung gaano tayo ka-busy last year. Pero thank you so much, Guada, for your comment. And ang mga masasuggest kong home-based platform for chat support, especially for the beginners, are Online Jobs PH and Upwork. There are a lot of job opportunities sa dalawang platform na to. They can just filter yung pag-search ng job. They can type chat support, they can type email support, or non-voice customer service. So, pwede nilang gawin yan sa paghahanap ng trabaho kay Online Jobs PH and Upwork. Panibagong video, panibagong opportunity naman yung i-share ko sa ating mga viewers on how we can earn habang nasa bahay lang. So, in today's video, mag-share ako ng isang platform or website kung saan nag-hire sila ng mga Filipino freelancers or work-at-home employees. Ang mga i-feature natin na job positions, most of them are non-voice, pero may isa tayong i-feature din na may halong calls kahit papano. At gaya nga ng sabi ko, pwede mag-apply ang mga Filipino freelancers at pwede rin mag-apply ang ating mga beginners. Excited ka na ba sa ating pag-uusapan for today? Then please watch this video up until the end. Don't skip any part of it para wala kang mamiss na kahit anong important information. So guys, let's begin. Yung platform or website na gusto kong i-share sa ating mga viewers for today is Seller Interactive. It's a platform wherein they help clients with their business needs so the clients can focus more on growing the business. They hire people with different expertise and these people help the clients with their specific needs. They offer different Amazon services for the clients. Some of the services that they offer are full account management, SEO, PPC, product launch, listing optimization, brand protection and assistance, account suspension, appeal and reinstatement, reimbursement and refund, FBA wholesale partnership program, and Amazon demand or side platform advertising. So yan yung mga specific services na ino-offer nila kay client. Ngayon, sino ba yung gumagawa or nagpe-perform ng mga service at task na to? Diyan papasok yung mga employees na i-hire nila dito kay Seller Interactive. And just to set proper expectations guys, I am not affiliated with the company. Ako ay naghahanap lang at nagre-research ng mga ways, earning platforms or earning applications kung saan pwede tayong kumita habang nasa bahay lang. Ang pag-uusapan natin about Seller Interactive in today's video are the available jobs, the salary, and the schedule. Pag-uusapan din natin ano ba yung mga perks na makukuha mo as an employee of Seller Interactive. Pag-uusapan din natin kung paano ba yung application process kay Seller Interactive. And at the last part of the video, of course, we'll talk about the pros and cons of being an employee kay Seller Interactive. There are a lot of job positions kay Seller Interactive. Ilalagay ko na lang yung link for the job positions dyan sa ating description box and sa comment section. Please check the link later after this video. Pero in today's video, we will cover 5 of the job positions available dito kay Seller Interactive and most of them are non-voice jobs. For no experience and for beginners, email outreach specialist and data entry specialist. We will also cover being an outbound email specialist, administrative assistant, and being a customer service representative. Let's start with being an email outreach specialist. So as an email outreach specialist, ano ba yung magiging work mo? You will need to create persuasive email pitches, develop rapport with clients, and email conversion. Pwede to for beginners, pero ano ba yung mga skills na required for you to be considered dito sa job title na to? Of course, you need to have a persuasive and influential written and communication skills. You need to know how to manage your time, to set your goals, and to drive to meet sales objectives. Please note, guys, na they prefer a 1-year experience in the same niche of being an email outreach or 1-year customer service experience. But it's not required. So now, how much can you earn? And ano ba yung available schedule? As an email outreach specialist, you can earn a salary ranging from 18,000 to 20,000 per month. And yung schedule nila, it's full-time, fully remote, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. EST, or dito sa time natin sa Philippines, that's 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. The next one, guys, is being a data entry specialist. Ano ba yung magiging job role mo as a data entry specialist? You will be finding leads on Amazon using certain criteria and transferring info to database. You will also need to find sellers on social media platforms and send out requests to connect. You will be sending out pitches to potential clients in order to book calls with the sales team. Basically, magre-research kayo or magpa-prospect kayo ng mga possible clients and i-store nyo sila dun sa database ni Seller Interactive. And then, if-forward nyo tong information na to dun sa mga sales team, sila na yung bahala dun sa sales conversion. Ano ba yung mga skills na kailangan mo? Even if you're a beginner, they would require you to be efficient in using Microsoft Excel or Google Docs or anything related to those tools. Also, you need to be attentive to details for accurate data entry. And please note, guys, sales experience and being fluent in Mandarin are preferred but not required. Ngayon, ang tanong is, how much can you earn as a data entry specialist? You can earn from 80 to 100 pesos per hour, or that's equivalent to 13,000 pesos to 16,000 pesos on a monthly basis. The available schedule is 8 hours a day, again, full-time, 40 hours per week, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. EST for the first 4 hours, that's required, which is 9 p.m. to 1 a.m. dito sa Philippines. And yung remaining 4 hours yun ng shift nyo, you can work with that anytime. It's flexible. Yung dalawang yan, guys, yan yung mga nag-a-accept sila ng beginners or newbies. So, yung mga susunod na 3 job positions na pag-uusapan natin, they would require some experience. So the next one is being outbound email specialist. Ano ba yung magiging role mo as an outbound email specialist? You will need to email cold or warm leads and deliver information and solutions to help increase their conversion rate. You will be answering potential client questions and follow-up questions via email. There's a quota that you need to meet. You also need to build and maintain a knowledge base and provide prompt email follow-up to your leads. Ano ba yung mga skills na i-require nila and experience when it comes to being an outbound email specialist? They require, guys, 1 year of experience in the same field. Also, of course, excellent written and verbal communication skills. You need to have outstanding email etiquette, proficiency in CRM. So, ito na yung paggamit ng mga lead platforms. If you have experience to that, you can apply. Also, you need to be an extremely organized team player with social sales skills and able to focus with minimal supervision. And you have the knowledge and familiarity with Amazon Seller Central. So, kung ikaw ay may experience dun sa mga nabanggit na yan, you're qualified to apply as an outbound email specialist. Magkano ba yung pwede mong kitain dito sa job position na to? You can earn from 18,000 pesos to 20,000 pesos per month. The available schedule is also in EST hours, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. EST. Dito sa Pilipinas, that's 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. The next job that we'll talk about is being an administrative assistant or admin assistant. Ano ba yung mga magiging responsibilities mo as an admin assistant? You will organize files and records and mag-update ka rin ng online trackers and ng database ni Seller Interactive or ni client. You will be in charge then for online research, of course, and data collection. And you will do reporting and analysis. You will onboard and offboard clients. You will manage filing systems and assist in the preparation of regularly scheduled reports. Ano ba yung mga experience and skills na nire-require dito kay Seller Interactive? You need to have at least 2 years of general virtual assistant experience or admin assistant experience Also, 2 years of experience using Google Suite or yung mga Google tools like Google Drive and anything like that. Also, you need to be proficient in Google Sheets and any other related tools. You need to have good communication skills, excellent organizational skills, exceptional attention to detail, and you need to work under minimal supervision. Magkano ba yung pwede mong kitain as an admin assistant? Pwede kang kumita ng 20 to 25,000 per month as an admin assistant. The schedule is also in EST hours, that's 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. EST, or dito sa Pilipinas, yan ay 8 ng gabi hanggang 4 ng madaling araw. The last one, it's a very usual job position for most of the companies. So, it's being a customer service representative. Ano ba yung magiging role mo kay Seller Interactive or sa specific client as a CSR? Answer all inquiries and make sure they are responded in a timely manner. You will also respond to their customers' concerns on HelpWise, that's their tool. Answer inbound calls or make outbound calls using RingCentral, that's another tool na ginagamit nila. Also, manage the CRM database of our clients and customers. And you will be sending out marketing emails to customers. Ngayon, ano naman yung mga skills na i-require nila as a customer service representative and the experience? They would require at least 2 years of work experience in a customer service or call center position. They need someone who is patient, compassionate, and understanding temperament to provide service to individuals that could be frustrated. Of course, yan yung mga expertise ng mga CSR, di ba? Yung pag-handle ng mga frustrated, aggravated, or irate customers. You need to have a strong internet connection, of course, and well-maintained computer equipment. You must have a noise cancellation microphone for high-quality calls. You need to have strong verbal and written communication skills, organizational skills. Sales experience is an advantage pero hindi siya required. Magkano yung pwede mong kitain as a CSR kay Seller Interactive? You can earn from 144 to 173 pesos per hour, or that's equivalent to around 23,000 to 28,000 pesos per month. So the schedule is also in EST hours, Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. EST, or that's 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. PHT. Pag-usapan din natin, ano ba yung mga perks na makukuha mo? Bakit mo ba pipiliing mag-apply or maging employee ni Seller Interactive? Pag na-hire ka na, you will be paid for PH regular holidays. And entitled ka rin for overtime pay, of course. Ang maganda dito guys, kapag na-hire ka, eligible ka na dun sa reward point or reward system nila. Parang may makukuha kang mga reward points based sa performance or kung paano mo man makukuha yung reward points. And pwede mong gamitin tong reward points to purchase different things gaya ng mga office tools or office chairs, office table, or may mga gifts din. And then, after 3 months of working with Seller Interactive, magkakaroon ka na ng paid vacation leaves. Meron din sila guys, birthday bonus. Tapos, every time na magsa-celebrate ka ng work anniversary mo, meron silang food delivery. Meron din silang computer and monitor incentive program. At meron din silang performance appraisal every end of second and fourth quarter. So, twice a year. Yun, paano ka ba magsasend ng application kay Seller Interactive if you think na you're qualified for one of their job openings? So ngayon, ang gagawin mo lang is of course, una is pumunta ka dyan sa link na nilagay ko sa description at nandyan din yan sa ating pinned comment. So ayan guys, ito yung page nila for job application or job openings. Ngayon, kung nakapili ka na ng a-applyan mong job, click mo lang. See for example, mag-apply ka as an outbound email specialist. Click mo yan. And then, kung nabasa mo na lahat ng information na na-discuss na rin natin kanina, click mo yung apply now. Tapos may magpa-pop up dyan sa right side na details na we need to fill out. You need to fill out your personal information. And dito naman sa headline kung ano yung job na ina-applyan nyo. Yung gawin is, I am your next rockstar outbound email specialist. And then for the cover letter, dito nyo i-highlight yung interest nyo as an outbound email specialist. Sasabihin nyo rin yung mga related experience nyo at yung mga skills required dito for this job. You will also need to attach your CV or resume. Dito naman, you need to paste a screenshot link of your computer specification. After nyo ma-fill out lahat ng information na yan, Ang kailangan nyo lang gawin is to click on submit. All you need to do is to wait for another email from Seller Interactive team for the next steps. Sa review part guys, pag-usapan natin yung mga pros and cons based dun sa mga information na nalaman natin today. So we can assess for the pros, 100% fully remote to. So that's one advantage. Also, meron silang training. Sa pang maganda dito kay Seller Interactive ay they offer full-time stable job. So regarding payment guys, ang maganda naman dito is they pay bi-weekly. So twice a month. And they pay it directly to your local bank account. At isa pang napansin ko guys, sobrang nagkikare sila sa kanilang mga employees based dun sa mga company perks. Diba pag nag-a-apply tayo as a freelancer sa mga online platforms, most of the time malaki yung offer or maganda yung offer, reasonable, pero wala silang mga perks like those. Yung sobrang daming pakulo na lahat ay para sa mga employees nila. Those are a few things that a company can do to show that they care for their employees. So ngayon, punta naman tayo, ano ba yung mga cons? Yung mga cons for the beginners, limited lang yung job offers nila na pwedeng apply ng mga beginners. Another con guys is the schedule. So kung napansin nyo, lahat ng schedule ay for graveyard shift sa Pilipinas kasi it's EST business hours. So US time siya. Ayan guys, yung gusto kong i-share sa inyo na platform today kung saan pwede rin tayo kumita habang nasa bahay lang. I hope na nakatulong to sa mga naghahanap pa lang ng work, sa mga na-stress na maghanap ng client kasi sobrang hirap maghanap nowadays due to high competition. So ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? You can try applying na dito kay Seller Interactive. So ayun lang muna for today guys. Please don't forget to like this video, share this now to your friends and family na naghahanap ng work from home opportunity or work from home job. And don't forget to follow me guys on my social media accounts. Nakalink yan sa ating description. And follow our Facebook page, RJ's Vlog. And again, if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Click mo na yung subscribe button and yung notification bell na rin para updated ka every time we upload new videos. Thank you guys for watching up until this point. I will see you again in our next video. Bye!